Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about one of my most favorite lipsticks, especially as the holidays are approaching now. I think it's more and more fashionable to wear red lipstick, but of course it's okay to wear red lipstick any time of the year. So this lipstick is by Absolute New York. It is a matte stick. It had writing on it, but it came off. I think I took the sticker off actually, or it came off from like being in my makeup bag for a while because I would like constantly use this. So it's just such a pretty color. It's actually considered a dark red. That's what it's called. You can see on the back label here, it's dark red. And then the product number is NFA 52. List the ingredients on the side here. And this is melted, I guess, from being in my makeup bag for so long, but it has the color on the top so you could see it before you buy it without having to pull off the actual top to get to the lipstick. So I think it's a really beautiful color. Like I said, it's matte. It stays on really good. It combines the sophistication of a matte lip with super rich color for an incredible finish. And it's creamy and comfortable to wear. The lipstick glides across lips and lasts for the perfect pout, and it just stays really nicely. And it looks matte. I like the look of matte lipstick, and I think it always stays on really well. So before you put this on, it's really good to prep, exfoliate, and moisturize your lips. You can line your lips too if desired, and then fill in lips straight from a bullet or with a lip brush. I sometimes use lip liner, but with this one I didn't feel like I needed to, if that makes sense. Like, it was just so easy to put on its own, and I guess it depends what type of lips you have also, but it's very, so I'm coming towards the bottom because as you can see, I love this lipstick so much. But it's easy to, you just turn it, and I'm like turning it all the way down, and this is all I have left of the lipstick, unfortunately, so I gotta buy a new one because I love it. So yeah, so you just turn it, and that's how you get the lipstick to come out more. It lists the ingredients here. So we have, and I apologize if I do butcher some of these, ethical palmate, periphenum liquidum, beeswax, kaolin, talc, mica, polybutene, Aussie curate, carnauba wax, petrolatum, DLA, tocopherol acetate, propylparaben, and may contain red 7, red 21, titanium dioxide, blue 1, manganese violet, yellow 5, iron oxide yellow, iron oxide red, and iron oxide black to make the colors. So this is distributed by Absolute New York, Port Washington, New York 11050. And I guess they have London and UK distributor as well. Made in PRC. Net weight is 0.19 ounces or 5.4 grams. There's the barcode, and there's the color again, dark red. It's so pretty. This is my favorite color, but of course this comes in a bunch of other colors as well. But I think I love red lipstick because then it's like you don't really have to do heavy makeup on your eyes or anything like that, because the red lipstick is just, it's so nice, and it like stands out on its own. Like, I just don't feel like you really need to do much else as far as like a heavy makeup on your face. So the way that I heard about this, I actually was just like looking online for red lipsticks, because for some certain jobs that I work, I have to wear red lipstick. The client prefers it. So I tried this out. I ordered it online, and I just loved it because it's absolutely gorgeous color. It lasts forever without smudging, and it's just so pigmented. It's really pretty. I would say I was almost using it like every other day, and it got to the point now where I definitely need to order a new one. But I get compliments on it. No cracks appear. The price is definitely it's in a low budget, which is great for an awesome product. And I think I've been seeing more shades come up now as I'm like looking online to repurchase. So that makes me really happy. But I love that it's no lumps, no cracked lips. You eat, you drink, you just maybe need to retouch it once, and that's it. It's matte, it's creamy too. So sometimes matte lipsticks will dry out your lips. That is not the case with this one. This does not dry out your lips. And I'm going to just put a little bit on my hands. Like, I hope that maybe will give you guys a little bit of an idea of the color. I hope that helps a little bit. So you can see it's like, it's red, it's bright, it's soft, easy to put on. And with the winter months coming, you don't want to use a lipstick that's going to dry out your lips because, you know, you already have the cold and the wind to do that. So I just think this is perfect on like so many levels, and I'm so happy about the beautiful color. Perfect to wear for a night out, well, Christmas parties, holiday parties coming up, New Year's coming up, Thanksgiving. So this is Absolute New York matte lipstick in dark red. I hope you guys try it out, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. Perfect to add to your makeup collection. Thanks for watching, everybody.